From the National Weather Service in Raleigh, it's Nick Petro with your routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering today through Wednesday, the 22nd of July. First off, there's an air quality alert for today for the Triad until 8 p.m. and the Triangle, or the Triad until midnight rather, the Triangle until 8 p.m. And this alert's for ground level ozone, not related to the wildfire smoke. Sensitive groups should reduce prolonged or heavy exertion outdoors if possible. For the upcoming weather pattern, we have heat and smoke are the key weather issues through Friday. The smoke basically resulting in some hazy skies that you see outside is due to Canadian wildfires, and that smoke's being brought down to our region from the winds. The key elements here through the next 2 days, heat advisory, very hot conditions. That's likely on Friday and possibly again on Saturday. The heat advisory hasn't been issued, but as we get a little closer, we may end up having to issue one. Highs are expected, high temperatures that is, 95 to 100, with heat indices in the low 100s, maybe as high as 108. And as mentioned, the Canadian wildfire smoke is moving or has been moving across the eastern U.S. here in the northeast since yesterday. Wildfire smoke should remain aloft today, but may get closer to the surface on Friday. On Saturday, we'll be looking at a severe thunderstorm threat on Saturday and Sunday as a cold front approaches the region. Wind damage should be the primary hazard. And then finally, another cold front will move through the Carolinas the middle of next week and may bring some more seasonable temperatures for the latter half of next week. The heat risk for the next 3 days is major, which means that the heat can have health impacts on anyone without effective cooling or adequate hydration. In terms of the rainfall for the next 5 days, we're looking at about a half inch to an inch of rain across much of central North Carolina. Lesser in that range as you go west towards the Triad and towards the Charlotte region, and more as you head east towards the coast. That rain, the bulk of it should fall on Saturday and Sunday as that cold front approaches. The excessive rainfall outlook shows basically no risk for flash flooding the next 3 days. The severe thunderstorm potential highlights both Saturday and Sunday, with a level 2 of 5 severe weather risk across the northern half of central North Carolina on Saturday, marginal elsewhere, and then a damaging straight line wind threat, both again Saturday and also on Sunday. That risk you see there on Sunday is the 15 to 30% risk. Again, the main hazard potentially damaging straight line winds. Looking at the tropics, there's an area of low pressure that the National Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on off the southeast coast. And that's expected to continue to form this weekend over the northeastern Gulf of America. Some gradual development of this system is possible while it slowly moves northeastward over the northeastern Gulf and near the coast of the southeast U.S. early next week. Its formation chances pretty low, maybe as high as 20% over the course of the next 7 days. There's also an area of shower and thunderstorms with a tropical wave southeast of the Cabo Verde Islands, and that's still disorganized. The Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on that. Formation chance through the next 7 days is 10%. Speaking of the rain that we looked at, here is the latest North Carolina drought update. Obviously, much of central North Carolina is still in the midst of a drought, and in some cases, D4 exceptional drought, particularly across the northern Piedmont. The image in the lower right is the change in the drought category from last week. And you'll see the areas with green, basically that suggests some improvement in the recent drought, thanks to the scattered showers and thunderstorms and associated rain that we've seen over the past week or so. Looking further down the road, the 8 to 14 day outlook calls for 30 to 40% chance of above normal temperatures and odds slightly favoring above normal rainfall. Our hazards for the next 7 days, severe thunderstorm threat, both Saturday and Sunday, wind damage the main hazard. Obviously, we'll have to watch out for the lightning. The peak of the lightning should be Sunday, but we could have lightning with scattered mainly afternoon, evening showers and thunderstorms anywhere from Friday through Wednesday next week. Otherwise, watch out for that extreme heat. Things will be getting worse by tomorrow, and there is a significant heat risk beginning tomorrow and lasting through the middle of next week. Wrapping it up, heat and smoke are the key weather issues through Friday. The Canadian wildfire smoke should remain aloft today, but may lower near the surface on Friday. There is a severe thunderstorm threat both Saturday and Sunday. Wind damage should be the primary hazard. Another cold front will move through middle of next week and may bring some more seasonable temperatures for the latter half of next week. As I mentioned, the heat for the next 2 days, a heat advisory, there's a good chance that might be needed or issued Friday and maybe again on Saturday. Highs will be 95 to 100 with feel-like temperatures of 102 to 108. And again, watch out for that severe thunderstorm threat if you have outdoor plans both Saturday and Sunday. Wind damage, again, the primary hazard. That concludes our weekly briefing this Thursday, the 16th of July for Central North Carolina.